Scientists are increasingly digging up new plant-based diet health benefits, and in tandem, eating fewer animal products is becoming a popular way of life. Even fast food restaurants are jumping on the bandwagon, offering veggie versions of their popular menu staples. It's now easier and more convenient to work plant-based nutrition into your busy life. But should you? Along with the science-backed health benefits of eating a plant-based diet, there are some challenges to consider, chiefly regarding getting the right balance of nutrients. Here, Steve Hertzler, PhD, RD, a senior nutrition scientist at Abbott, weighs in on what you need to know before trying this eating trend. What is a plant-based diet? There's no one plant-based diet. Rather, it's an approach to eating that prioritizes foods derived from plants, not just fruits and vegetables, but also nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains. Plant-based diet benefits. Research links diets that are largely plant-based to several health benefits, including a lower risk of type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and premature death. While more research is needed, a 2019 review in Translational Psychiatry suggests that plant-based diets may also improve cognitive health. Challenges of following a plant-based diet. While anyone can incorporate plant-based nutrition into their life, if you have food sensitivities or certain health conditions, you may need to leave some ingredients off your plate. And if you have a nut allergy, foods containing those nuts, sometimes even in very small amounts, can cause an allergic reaction. Following a plant-based diet will be easiest for those who already get the recommended 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day, are familiar with meal planning, and have the time to cook or meal prep. But if you don't have time to meal prep, you could incorporate an Ensure plant-based protein nutrition shake. It's Ensure's first vegan nutrition shake and has 100% non-dairy, plant-based protein from a blend of fava bean and pea for strength and energy, plus 25 essential vitamins and minerals. Specifically, you'll want to ensure you're getting enough protein, calcium, and vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is not found in fruits, vegetables, or grains. Soy milk is rich in protein and often fortified with calcium and vitamin B12. Eating legumes, quinoa, dark leafy greens, nutritional yeast, and fortified cereals can also help you hit your nutritional needs. A registered dietitian can teach you more about the nutritional value of plant foods and work with you on a plan to include more of them in your diet. What to expect? The ingredients you eat isn't the only thing that will change. There may be more food preparation time involved with more plant-based diets, such as chopping of fruits and vegetables and soaking beans, Hertzler explains. When getting started with a plant-based diet, it's best to take a gradual approach. After all, introducing new foods, or larger amounts of familiar foods, can disrupt your body's natural balance. When you eat more plants, you're consuming more fiber, which may lead to gastrointestinal discomfort. So take it slow, and if you need additional support, talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian about how to make the transition. Thank you for joining me on this comprehensive exploration of the plant-based diet. I hope you now feel empowered with the knowledge to make informed choices and start your own plant-based journey. Remember, every step counts, and even small changes to your diet can have a significant impact. Don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Simply get back on track and keep moving forward. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like me to explore, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on plant-based living, nutrition, and sustainable well-being.